Hi from me and my glow body. Today we want to talk about our shoulders. A lot of people have shoulder discomfort, tension, pain over impingement or frozen shoulders. So let's learn a little bit how to prevent and heal our shoulders, how to take the best care of our shoulders. Our shoulder actually has only 3 bones, which is our humerus, the arm bone, and then scapula right here, second bone, and there's a clavicle right here. Majority of shoulder pain begins because we're not aware of our posture and we have a weak rotator cuff muscles. Rotator cuff is not one muscle, there are 4 muscles in rotator cuffs. Look at this image. So 2 of those muscles are to rotate arm in and 2 of the muscles to rotate arm out. And for healthy shoulders, we need to have all of those muscles equally strong. Most of our day, when we keep our arms in front of us, we're shortening the internal muscles. We want to make sure that our rotator muscles are strong to rotate the arms out. So we want to do the exercises on a daily basis, rotate the arms out. So let's just try it right now. We're gonna bring our arms back behind us, turn them back, and just squeeze your elbows towards your low back. This is a great exercise to keep strengthening on a daily basis your rotating muscles, to keep your shoulders in place, to create less and less inflammation. Besides our improper postures, there are other causes to the shoulder pain. Number 1 is actually how we sleep. When we sleep on the side, we're constantly congesting and putting it down, under, and then year after year, with the regular side sleeping, we create inflammations in the shoulder. And the third cause of shoulder pain, of course, are injuries from some kind of accidents or injuries from repetitive, improper use of the shoulders. For instance, most of us, when we work out, we do planks, push-ups, side planks. And when we don't do it properly, we create inflammation around shoulders. So let's learn how to do proper side planking, and any push-ups by engaging and recruiting muscles around our back to support the shoulder, because it's not really fair for our shoulders to work on their own, just the deltoids and biceps. There are other muscles in the back, like serrators and our lats and all the rotating muscles. Let's learn how to engage the shoulder muscles so we keep strengthening every time we work out, either we do yoga practice or anything else. When we bring the weight into our arms, bring out one of your arms out, and with the free hand, just grab underneath of your armpit and the muscles behind you. That's your scapula there. So it's really important to rotate our humerus outwards to turn all the muscles in the back of the shoulder. So when we do planks, chaturangas, or side planks, rotate your upper arm outwards, and that's how you create sustainable practice and you constantly build stability around your shoulder. In a tricep push-up, chaturanga, I would rather see you bend your elbow just 10%, but really integrate your back, than going all the way down, losing your shape and creating that inflammation in your body. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. And if you have currently any pain in your shoulders, it might feel counterproductive, but actually moving your arms overhead, moving your arms in all directions. Watch my previous video with the strap, or just bring your arms around, moving arms behind you, strengthen them, using the resistance bands workout. Try our 360 core classes where we use our resistance bands to strengthen ourselves gently, and also using the cooling anti-inflammatory ointments like our Inhale Nature, muscle joint care. Make sure that you create a healing environment in your body. I and Glow Body, thank you for watching this video. We are wishing you love and healthy, mobile shoulders.